Did you know that you can place demo after a verb in Japanese to say even if verb X? The conjugation rules for this are quite easy. You simply change the verb to the te form and add mo after it. For example, let's look at the following sentence. 私は毎日ジョギングします。だから、今日は雨が降ってもジョギングしましょう. In this example, 雨が降る, which means to rain, is changed to its te form 雨が降って and mo is added after it, so it becomes 雨が降っても, which means even if it will rain, X. X is ジョギングしましょう, which means I will jog. You can also change the verb to the negative te form and add mo after it to say even if not verb X. For example, 私は今年は日本に行けなくても来年は絶対に行きましょう. In this example, 行ける, which means can go, is changed to its negative te form 行けなくて and mo is added after it, so it becomes 行けなくても, which means even if I can't go, X. And X is 来年は絶対に行きましょう, which means I will definitely go next year. Please follow for more Japanese tips.